The headphone is one of the best companions in today's world, where everyone is busy with their work and have little time for friends and family. Music helps us to refresh our mind and soul, and headphone is the widely used instrument for listening to music. Present-day headphones come with advanced technology, such as active noise cancellation, Alexa integration, and touch control. Among the music listening device producers, the name of Sony comes at first as the company who first introduced the idea of listening to music while on the move. You're right! Today we've chosen Sony WH1000XM3 noise cancelling headphones.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Sony WH1000XM3 is a stylish over-ear headphone with oval-shaped ear cups. The headphone is made with high-quality rubber, leather, foam, and plastics to ensure maximum comfort. It's comfortable and does not hurt the ears even if you wear it for a long time. The headphone is foldable, which makes it easier to carry while traveling. It's got a dedicated microphone for voice input only, which ensures excellent voice calling experience. The Bluetooth connectivity is excellent, and signal transmission is quite smooth. Controlling the music is within your fingertip. You need to tap on the ear cups with your finger to control volume, music, and voice calls. Sony WH1000XM3 delivers great sound quality with deep bass. You would love the music. The active noise cancellation feature works great. It would make your surroundings quiet so that you can hear nothing but music. It has got Sense engine installed that automatically detects your activity and balances the noise cancellation level according to the need. It has Alexa voice assistant enabled. You can control music, volume, and voice calls using the voice assistant, and Alexa does excellent work. The headphone comes with a long-lasting battery that delivers a listening time of 30 hours, and you can get 5 hours of playback time from a 5-minute quick charge. It's time to investigate the user ratings on these special headphones and find out what people are saying about the headphone. These headphones have 4.6 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 9,523 ratings on Amazon, which suggests the users highly recommend the headphone. Here are some comments from users. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "If you want very comfortable headphones with the best sound and active noise cancelling that you can expect with wireless Bluetooth, get these." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "The noise cancelling is amazing on these. They're going to be great for studying. They're very comfortable as well. You don't feel like you're wearing anything at all. They charge really fast as well. The sound quality is amazing as well." A few people didn't find the product useful. Among them, one person gave 2 stars and wrote, "Although these headphones overall are great, they get 2 stars from me because they don't work in cold weather." That's all we have on the Sony WH1000XM3 noise cancelling headphones for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.